Mali yung natawhan ni mo, Sister Jessa. I hope later you will have, today, you will have a great day because it's your birthday. And wishing you all the best in life. And stay humble and pretty like me. Vito says, happy birthday. Arin ako promises. Love you.
Hi sister, happy birthday. Wishing you all the best in life. Love you.
Wishing you many more birthdays to celebrate.
Hi Sang, happy birthday! Sang, thank you kayo sa inyong mga pagtabang sa amon, labi na sa during election kang GP. Salamat kayo sa inyong pagmahal sa amon. I love you, Jisa. Happy birthday, guwapa!
Hi, this is Shuvi Itrata and I want to greet Jessa V. Zaspa a happy birthday. Charot lang. Birthday ni mo? Happy birthday. Ay, sayap yan. Happy birthday. Anyway, I want you to greet a happy birthday and this effort is really made possible because of Kuya Baday, the John Prax, the Jumbo Hot Dog of Poblacion Santa Fe. I miss you, Ate Z, Ate Jessa ZV. See you later tonight for our party after the program. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you! Ching ching ching! Happy birthday to you! Ching ching ching! Ako, sing oh! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Beshi! Oh, greet na kay Tita Jessa! Happy birthday! See it!
Jess, happy birthday from Croatia to Santa Fe. Happiest birthday to you. God bless you.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday Ate Jess ha. Hinaot nga tagaan ka pa'y damo nga birthday sa atong Ginoo. Wish you good health o padayon sa pagpakahimong blessing para sa uban nga tao. Salamat sa tanan-tanan ate sa suporta o sa pagpangga sa among utod. Salamat ate. Amping ka permidira o once again, happy birthday. Enjoy.
Hi Bess, happy birthday. See you later.
Hello te, mayong adlaw te. Kag imon na mo ko diya sa birthday te, happy birthday te. Og amping ka mo ni Kuya Baday dara te. Og salamat diya sa una te. Kag otro happy birthday sa imo.
Birthday to Jessa.
Happy birthday Ate Mimi. Wishing all the best and always be healthy and stay safe always. Thank you for being kind and malwal ate para kay GE and the way you treat me, especially pagpabantayan namon. Thank you and happy birthday, Liwa.
Happy birthday, Tita Jessa. Happy birthday, Tita Jessa. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Tita Jessa. Birthday, Tita Jessa. We love you. Happy birthday, Tita Jessa. We love you. Happy birthday, dear Ate Jessa. Happy birthday, Ate Jessa. We love you.
Happy
birthday, Dan. Happy birthday.
Sabi!
Happy birthday, Jessa. Ari ako iregalo sa imo dayo.
Happy birthday, Ate Jessa. May unta, huwag malipayan kasi yung birthday.
Happy birthday Ate Jessa. More birthday to come. Wish you a good health
Happy
always.
birthday, Jessa V. Wish you more birthdays to come. Stay cool and God bless you.
Happy birthday! Still guwapa gyapon ka. Bye!
Yes, I love you so much. Stay beautiful.
Hi, kumari kong guwapa. Today is your day. God bless. Amping kanunay and enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Hi, Auntie. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ante.
Happy birthday, Auntie Jessa. Wishing you a good health, happiness, and more blessings to come. Enjoy your special days and God bless you always. Bye.
Hi, Tita. Happy birthday po. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Auntie Jessa. More birthday to come and God bless.
Hi Auntie, happy birthday. Wishing you a wonderful birthday filled with joy and love. Hi Auntie, happy birthday. Wishing you a wonderful birthday filled with joy and love.
Happy birthday to you, Auntie. Wish you a wonderful day, good health, and more blessing to come. Happy birthday again, Auntie.
Hi Ante, happy birthday.
Hello, Auntie Jessa. Happy birthday and enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Miss Jessa. More blessings to come. Stay sweet and beautiful.
Happy birthday, Ate Mimi! God bless! Enjoy your day! Mwah.
Happy birthday, Ma. I love you.
Happy birthday to you. 38 years old ka na and hapit ka na mag-40. Hapit na ka mag-senior. Parehas ka muna dada. Char. Sa ari naman, thank you sa tanan ninyo gipang buhat sa amon. Especially ikaw, thank you kay pagod ka na give up sa amon. Miss ka na kami kapabadlungon ni brother. Thank you kay premi ka lang arang-ara sa amon side. Again, happy birthday sa ima. I love you so much.
Happy birthday to my beautiful wife, my forever soulmate, and my greatest blessing. Thank you for loving me, believing in me, and standing by my side through everything. I am truly grateful to have you as my wife, and even more thankful for the beautiful and complete family we've built together. You are the heart of our home and the reason behind so many of my happiest moments. Every day, you inspire me to be a better father and best husband. No matter what life brings, I will always love you and cherish you. Enjoy your special day, my palangga. Happy 30th birthday, Jessa. I love you today, tomorrow, and always.